About one quarter of the village was demolished, and 36 families became homeless. And the authorities have to find some way. We need our problem to be solved, and we need to be able to rebuild these houses, demolished houses.
من قتل للشباب والبنات، من أسر لآلاف الشباب، وبعضنا يشارك أعداءنا في أفراحهم أو في أطرافهم.
مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الله أكبر.
الله أكبر.
These people have no place to stay in. Many of them built their houses in debt. They have now to pay the debt for the houses that were demolished, which they don't have. This Israeli practice is all over the country. It is a reflection of Israeli effort to practice ethnic cleansing, practically, taking away Palestinian land, giving it to settlers, and then preventing Palestinians from building on their own land. And when they build, they come and demolish their houses.